How to fix MoneyGram app not working. So if you want to fix the MoneyGram app not working, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, you need to simply go with your Play Store or your App Store. Once you're under the Play Store, now you need to go with the search. Under search, you just need to simply go and search for MoneyGram. And once you search for MoneyGram, now you just need to simply go and check if you have any updates under your MoneyGram. If you have any updates, you just need to simply go with update and update your application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then open up your settings. Once you open your settings, now you need to scroll down and go with the apps section. Under apps, tap on see all apps and then search for the MoneyGram application. Once you search for the MoneyGram application, for example, MoneyGram application is not available in my region, but if you have it and if you've installed and if it's not working, then you can simply open up your MoneyGram. For example, I'll be choosing Chrome. Here you just need to simply go with storage and cache under the MoneyGram, and you need to clear all of the cache and all of the storage that you have on your application. Once you clear the cache and your storage, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you can do is you can simply uninstall the application. So you can simply press and hold on to the application and you will get the uninstall or trash icon. You can simply uninstall the MoneyGram application and again go with your Play Store and again install the application. Once you've done that, now the last thing you need to do is you need to restart your device. Press and hold on to your power button, and after that you need to restart, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your MoneyGram app not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.